Hello everyone. Since we've been doing the Alice in Wonderland kits and everything, I wanted to show you. I have a bunch of the pockets and stuff from the kits and everything, and I thought, you know what, let's glue them into our journals, get them all put together in one spot where I want them and everything, instead of having them 20 different places. So that was my thought process. You could have a different thought process. I just, again, my choice of let's use some of this up where I want to. So, yeah. This is my personal take on it. Normally I don't use the pockets as pockets in journals like this, but with this one I'm going to. So we have two pockets. Do I want to line them up both like that? Not really. But I have these tiny pockets that would be kind of cute here. So let's stick the tiny pocket there. So we'll have this pocket here, and I'm thinking this pocket I'm just going to stick in the corner here. Again, it's just something different. And then this one is going to sit right here. Or should I put it on the next page? I'm going to put it on the next page right next to it here, actually. So I mean, just a basic look for both of them. Not everything's going to be perfect. I don't expect it to be, so that's okay. I'm going to stick this here, and I'm going to stick this cute little envelope. I love the back of it. It's going to go right in here. So, oh, that doesn't want to stay in there though. Stick it there. Now I have these cute little pieces that says "Drink Me." Thought that would be cute in that spot. And this cute little journaling card might fit right in there. I don't know. Don't know, but yeah, just fill her up. Now let's go to the other side and try to do the same with the other side here. Yeah, I get really quiet when I'm focused. Sorry, I've been thinking a lot about, we have one more camping trip coming up here in just a few days, and I'm trying to get caught up on videos a little bit here. Now, I may not be perfect, and chances are I'm not going to get enough done for the whole time we're gone. So just a heads up ahead of time, you may not see very many videos for a while. I'm not forgetting about you, and I will of course be doing a new video on what our campsite looks like this next time, because every time we go camping things get changed, of course. And them videos seem to be viewed more than anything else, honestly, than these videos, but that's okay. I've learned to just live with it. This is my third video today. It's taken me a lot to just want to even work on these things, because my brain has been so up in the air and wanting to do other things other than what I'm thinking about doing. Just one of them things. Oh, I don't want that there. Okay. We'll do tea time here. And this one there. So again, just work a little bit here and a little bit there on pieces. So we got a little bit more done out of our Alice in Wonderland journal. And that's not including what we've done recently. So, and I keep it in this lovely little basket. This has been working well for me right now. Not sure if that's going to be how my layout is going to be forever, but this seems to keep things well organized. They do fit in my project cart pretty well, the baskets, but not with this inside it. So I've been kind of just keeping them in a pile and grabbing one and doing a bunch of projects and all that jazz. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.